killed my first boar when I was just a boy. A big old battle axe was my favorite toy. Each of my enemies, they all have been destroyed. For I am Snot-Lout, oi, oi, oi. Snot-Lout, oi, oi, oi. He's all man and you're all boy. Yes, I said it. Try me if you dare. I'll chill you to the bone with my steely glare.
Yeah. La 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 la. Hey, boy, you never had much game, so I needed to upgrade. So I went and walked away, way. Now I've seen you been hanging out with that other girl in town, looking like a pair of clowns. Remember all the things that you and I did first?
So let's talk about something less depressing. How about Hiccup?
Well, why didn't you?
Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. And I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah, I guess it does.
Well, what about him?
Oh, boys! So, what do you say? Will you help us catch our suspect?
What?